Welcome back to another episode of Hip Hop Breakdown. My name is Ceech, and I have Annabelle with me today, and we are going to break down two intermediate level hip hop choreography. So let's get right into it from the beginning. Here we go. We're going to play at tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That is it right there. Let's give a high five. Bam, right there. Okay, cool. So, guys, we have some intricate choreography. And as always, the way we're going to break it down is focus on the bottom half first. Okay, we're going to do the legs, and then we're going to do the arms. Let's check out the legs first. Focus on the legs. You guys see my mouse moving right here. Okay, here we go. This is my legs, and this is Annabelle's leg. Here we go. Here we go. We got kick 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm gonna stop it right there. Okay, so going back to the legs. This right here where my mouse is, this is my right leg. Okay, obviously if you're looking at me straight right there, this is my right leg. I'm gonna kick to the right, kick right, kick left, kick right, and 4. Notice the and 4. I'm gonna rewind it back real quick. Actually, even on the 1. As I'm kicking on the 1, notice I'm hopping, right? Annabelle did a good job too. The reason why we want to hop is later on, I want you to see towards the end of the video, I'm going to have my entire class do it. And when we travel, you need to hop, okay? So if you watch right here, look at the bottom leg. This is my left leg. You see how there's a hop right here? Annabelle, this is a clear picture right here. She's hopping as well, okay? That's the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the and 4, you notice how the knees come together on and the knee goes apart on the 4. Okay, so if you didn't have that, go ahead and rewind it. Now I'm going to focus on the upper body. Watch what the upper body's doing. Here we go. 1 on the 1, the right hand is shooting down right here, and the left hand is just holding in place. 1, and then coming up on 2 right here. It's 2, and you got and. The hands are together on and, pull on the 3, okay? And then you got and, legs or the arms are crossing on and, 4 arms are apart, okay? So here you go. Let's watch it one more time. Watch the arms and the legs together all the way to 4. And we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all right? Good, moving forward. I'm gonna direct your attention now back to the legs. Back to the legs. 5. When you get down on 5, it's really important that you stay low, even on the 4. Let's go back to the 4 real quick. Here's the 4, okay? On the 4, I try to be as low as possible. Annabelle did a really good job keeping her hip down as low as possible. If you don't stay down, this next move on the 5, it's really easy to hurt your knee, okay? Because you're traveling such a long distance. So you want to stay down low on the 4. Then the 5 will be a nice even touchdown with your knee on the 5, okay? Then you have 6 and 7, 6 and 7, all right? And you jump up on the 8. So that's it. Let's go back again. Let's check it out check out the knee, okay? Moving back a little bit. Here's the 4. Moving down 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now, as far as the arms, there's really not much to it. I just use my arms to kind of counterbalance when I swing my legs, okay? So I'm going to go back all the way. You're going to watch all the way from 1 through 8, head to the legs. Here we go. Hop in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right. Good, good, good. Moving forward. Hope you got that. Now, direct your attention back to the leg again. You're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slide on the 4. Okay? Going back again. So I'm crossing my leg right here. Okay? So this is my right leg crossing over to the left side. You're going to go 1 and 2. Right on the 2. Now I'm going back, right? 2. This is and 3. Okay, that's a touch, right? And 3. And now you're going to slide on the 4. 4. And then end on the 5. All right? So let's go back again. Now you're going to watch the arms, okay? Arms, you're going to run 1 and 2. Right on the 2, that's when you push over. Okay, you're gonna push to the right side. Push and push. There's 2 pushes. 2 pushes. That sounds funny. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and on the and your arms are crossed right here. This is my left arm on the top. You're gonna do a big swing. Both arms are gonna swing out on the 4. It's a big swing on the 4. Big circle. 4, 5. Okay, together on the 5. Okay, here we go. Let's go back one more time. Both arms and leg. We'll check out the arm. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So on the and, remember we have to cross your arms on and. Big on the 4. 4, 5. Right on 5. We're moving forward now. Right on 5. The arms, collapse in right here, and the knees bent, legs are together. That's the 5. Okay. Now focus on the legs. Focus on the leg. This is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So all it is just bending down. I'm just bending on the beat. Okay, this is 4, 5. Watch the 5 and 6. Notice the and, straightening up on the and 6 again, and 7. All right, and 7. Now I stay seated. Then watch the legs, and 8. Okay, so this is my left leg going back, and right leg going forward. So that's the and 8. Going back one more time. Let's go check it. Let's check this out. From bottom, from the legs to the arms. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is it. There's some high five. Bam. Okay. So rewind it if you need to. Okay, guys. And what I'm going to do right now is to show you the performance class. We are going to do it, and half the class is going to be traveling forward, and the other half will be traveling back. All right. So guys, if you guys like this, definitely help the channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I post new content for us to get better as a dance community. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, and I'm out. Here we go.